hit the nail on the head. This is a common English idiom that you will hear often in conversations. Today we learn exactly what it means and how to use it correctly. Hit the nail on the head means to be exactly right. It describes when someone says or does something perfectly accurate. Think be spot on, perfectly correct, or exactly right. No mistakes at all. This idiom comes from carpentry work. When you hammer a nail, you must hit it squarely on its flat head. A perfect strike drives the nail straight in. This precise action became a metaphor for perfect accuracy. Listen to this example. Someone says something completely correct. You respond, you hit the nail on the head. This means perfectly correct. It shows strong agreement with their exact answer. Here is a complete sentence. She hit the nail on the head when she identified the sales problem. This means she found the exact cause of falling sales. Her analysis was perfectly accurate. Use this idiom when someone gives the exact right answer. Say it for perfectly accurate statements. Use when someone identifies the real problem. Perfect for meetings, conversations, and discussions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.